It's probably the most efficient carbon capture habitat that we have within our coastal environment. A hectare of seagrass will trap carbon 35% quicker than a hectare of rainforest. It was used as a resource for thatching cottages and stuffing mattresses as an upholstery filler. But the big killer really was this a wasting disease which appeared within the seagrass meadows around about the 1930s. It devastated large areas of seagrass. It stabilizes the sediment within the coastal environment through its root structure, which mitigates against erosion and flooding events. It also is a really important biodiversity hotspot. It's home to a huge range of species. We're looking at sites that would allow us to enhance the seagrass meadow we have and expand what we have into trying to recover some of that lost environment that we had in the 17 to 1800s.